I came down to New York to come to this workshop because I really needed some more work on my body, and the movements that I did with Diego were just fantastic. It just brought me more deeper into what I connect to as an actor. And my body just felt free, and I just feel like I could develop a character anytime, at any point in the weekend. And it was just a wonderful experience, and there were wonderful people that I got to work with, and I loved working with Diego.
We just finished a 3-day workshop with Diego. When I walked in, I had very little information, no expectation really of what's going to happen, and I think that this workshop really helped me discover a lot about myself as an artist and my work with people, my work with bodies, voice. We did so many different things, and we have coupled and partnered with so many different on so many different occasions, so many different exercises. We used sticks and balls and strings to really try to get to the core of what is like creating emotions. You know, it was super intense and very, very connecting, and coming out of this feeling really good in body and mind. So thanks, Diego.
The workshop made me feel a lot, and it was like a journey. I learned things I didn't expect to learn. It was a lot of interesting surprises, and just how simple things, simple awareness of a moment can teach you so much about yourself, and how you can learn from others, and how to collaborate, and how to share energy with each other. I think it's an unforgettable workshop. Thank you very much.
I'm from Lithuania, and in New York I come especially for these workshops. It sounds crazy because it's not easy to get here from Lithuania. It took 20 hours. And after that, all 3 days in physical theater. You know, some people said that Lithuania have very big, deep traditions of theater. But what I get here, it was not about that it was new for me. It's about atmosphere, it's about friendship, it's about good leader, good teacher. It's about passion, so I'm very happy. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very happy to meet these people, and I'm very happy to meet Diego because he was great. I really want to get to Brazil workshops. Thank you.